Kayla with WTI, and if you want to dress up your next serving platter and make it look amazing, then you have to check out these awesome trays from Chic Leaf. These are actually made from palm leaves, and they are so durable and so beautiful. What I like about this set of 10 is each different plate looked unique as I flipped through the stack. They each have their own natural, beautiful look from the palm leaf, but they all have their own perfect imperfections too, which I think just adds to the elegance of them. These trays are 17 by 12, which is large enough to create a beautiful platter. I can take the most simplest food, it doesn't have to be pretty, but if I put it on this tray, it just automatically looks so beautiful and so presentable too. We hosted a football party and got a bunch of game day food, and when I put it on these trays, it just made it look so much more beautiful and presentable to our guests. I love that these are disposable too, so I don't ever have to worry about getting a dish back. And if I'm just using them at home, when I'm done with it, I just take it to my bin out back and dispose of it there. Whether I want to do something casual just for the family or I want to do something a little bit more elegant, these trays are the perfect solution. I love how heavy duty they are. They are not flimsy whatsoever. I was actually really surprised at just how sturdy these trays are. So for your next party, check out these palm leaf trays from Chic Leaf. Not only are they beautiful and one of a kind, but they can make any food look so fancy. But that's just my point of view.